Millifugli d'Italia Burkansine.
It's called millifogli.
What?
Millifogli.
You stay here, you're gonna see in the camera.
It's called millifogli.
Minifogli
Italia.
d'Italia. Millifogli d'Italia.
Boconcini. Boconcini.
It's not Boncini. Boconcini.
Boconcini, I think.
Boconcini. The owner is Matilde Vicenzi. The company is Namata. Namata, the product is the temaki.
What?
Good day, people. Welcome to BITOKBITOK University with the BITOKBITOK kids. What's your name? Your names?
Names.
Ella. River. Rusty.
Alright. So kaganina, so neto mi sa SNR og nagtry mi og pamalit dito. Og so far gisi among baba. So muna mo magi pamalit. So actually magpaibog lang mi. We're howling.
What's howling?
Howling, we howl. Howl. So first, what's this, Ella? So para among sudan niyang gabi TL, so pork pata slice 315. 315.
Yeah, if you convert it in American dollars, it's $10.
$10. 315. Siguro mas ang nakamal ani actually kani tagkuan naman ni tag 15 kani may nakamal ang plastic na yellow. Sabo pas iro diri. Alright there. Nagpalit mi og pan nga kanang gibugas-bugas. Huh? What's this? Bread? Walay palaman. 70 buns with black sesame with black head. Pan with blackheads. 72 pesos.
Pan with what?
Blackheads. This one, wheat bun. Muna para sa ako. So nangita po mi actually na malit mi para less ang corn sugar. So kani sa wheat bun, basa nga bun? Wheat? No, wheat bun. Kung magulat ka ba, you wheat. Lamok da, atay. With sesame, kanina blackheads, kani whiteheads. Then later na mga snacks. Tapos, para kunwari magsalad-salad ni romaine lettuce. Tag 99.98 ang isa. Another romaine lettuce.
Romaine lettuce?
97 pesos.
Let us cook that.
97. Lettuce. With the kamatis. Tag 50. 50 pesos. Kamatis. 50 pesos.
Kamatis.
This one.
Kiat.
Okay.
But it's called little pumpkin in English.
Wait. What's this? Little pumpkin? Let's taste this. Say lamis ako.
I have to taste it.
Mahal naman ang kiat basta ko na.
One time that Kuya like ate one of this.
Let's see.
He opened one.
Ko naman yun naman yung angkol.
I have this one.
I have the smallest one. Oh my god, I have the biggest.
Ang kiat season din wala sa Pilipinas kaya.
How do you open this? Teach us.
I want to try this. Daddy, there's a small.
Yummy.
Oh my god.
Give nanay.
It's sweet.
Give nanay.
Sa SNR mo ning makakuha nila. Sikat sa ila kaning mga vanilla loaf 189.
Buy one take one.
Buy one take one. So mo palit ka ni na yan. So 189 na tanan. So actually nakasave ka. But this is sugar. So
Then why did you buy that?
not for daddy.
No.
Yeah, for nanay.
Not for now.
This is for nanay. Okay. Ketchup. Yeah.
Grass lap.
This one my favorite.
Oh, chocolate.
Cowhead premium chocolate milk.
No chocolate.
No
It's
chocolate,
yummy.
Daddy.
It's okay. Just shake it.
Should be.
Mama, digit daw baso. Baso na rin. Then cowhead. Na yung mga baligya nga ang SNR rin na. So muna mong ipangita ganina.
Ooh.
There. Mas lamin ni kong bugnaw. Cowhead.
Oh, tiguang naman.
Yummy. It's not familiar there. Oh. Muna ning mga among gipanguha nga dili kayo common sa among mga mata. So una na to ni ang
Veggie.
you read what's this?
Veggie pasta chips.
Veggie pasta chips. Yan yung mga pang-export kay ang style sa pagkabot kanina. So pag-abyan yan, siyon.
How?
Gabriel mo na
Isa kayo.
Yeah, you open it tapos see na siya burag kanon.
You do like this, buddy. That's how Americans open it.
How? Like that?
Yeah.
No, it won't.
It's
No.
Kailangan siya kuan.
Naman ni siya.
A few moments later.
Open lang.
Yeah, then just like those. You don't have long nail.
Don't mind the technical.
Sa man gyud pakaon ni sa ako dili.
2,000 years later.
Okay na, okay na.
Thank you, Ella. There,
Finally.
authentic Italian veggie pasta chips. Okay, get one.
I know what
And
it is.
no, just try. Taste it, then you answer or you feel it.
Ay, ilabay.
How's the smell? Do not throw.
It smells like
Kamera na ako.
Smells like.
It smells like those.
What? Come here. In a camera.
It's like one of those biscuits.
This is a biscuit man yun.
Oh.
What?
It's like sour cream.
Huh? Sour cream? Yeah, sea salt.
But
Spinach, broccoli, and khalid.
broccoli.
Yeah.
Buhay ka.
Only 120 calories.
is healthy for you.
You don't like that?
Oh, you close it.
1 to 10, 10 is the highest. What's this?
2.
2,
I'm a 4.
4, what are you? 10? 10? 1 to 10, you choose. 10 is the most delicious. What's this? 10.
You lock it, daddy. Kay very.
No. 6. Another
Another garden.
pretzel. Tag mahal ba ni tag 100 ka pintal. Pretzel, pete.
Pretzels.
Pretzel, what's this?
Pretzel Pete.
Pete. Di na pete? Na pretzel pete?
Pete.
Pete ba? You're beautiful, you're so pete.
Pretty.
Nuggets, garlic and parmesan seasoned pretzel.
Parmesan.
What?
Parmesan.
Parmesan?
Yeah.
Parmesan?
What's a parmesan?
Parmesan, ah? Parmesan?
It's parmesan.
Parmesan. Where you going? Come here, oy. Come here. Come here. I'm not going anywhere. Made in USA. Made with non-GMO ingredients. No SAT or trans fat.
It don't,
Zero
yeah.
artificial flavors. Oh, it's nice. Alright, here we go. So, let's try the nuggets.
We'll have another one.
Oh, it's nice. It's really nuggets.
These are nuggets. Oh, I have to bite.
You eat it all. Nami, try.
The smell?
There's no taste at all.
I'm sure there's a look at there. I'm putting mga kaon naman ay palaman. Eat it all. Eat it all. Put it in your mouth. All ba all? Ang tingin makano.
That tastes that's salty.
Nice.
Ah! Oh my god! Spicy food!
Hey, where you going?
Ngaro?
Now you touch it.
Get takuan ka ng plastic para butang na ito na para dili mahupas.
It's not really that spicy, but
As
How's
spicy
it?
as possible.
everything.
No, no.
Like, not
I
really
don't
that.
like the eat.
It's not, I'll give that. I don't know. 5.
6.
5.
This is another I give it like a 5. Chocolate. I give it a 5.
I didn't even try chocolate milk.
You don't try this? Yummy.
No, we haven't tried chocolate milk.
I don't like chocolate.
Yummy.
Oh, it's like Chucky.
I don't taste the Chucky. I don't really like chocolate.
I like
What?
chocolate.
What? Your face?
Daddy, chocolate.
Daddy!
Okay.
This one.
Kapuyan ni takasabot ani mga kananan. This one is a new one.
Temaki.
Temaki. Ayaw, temaki kay malata.
Temaki.
Temaki. The company is Namata. Namata, the product is the temaki.
What?
The name is corn snack squid flavor.
Okay.
Maklaro ba?
Squid!
Squid, okay, let's open.
Rachel loves squid. Rachel.
How do you open those? What?
Oh, there, the balls.
Oh my gosh, I don't like to taste it.
Alright, get one. Let's taste.
smells
Come on. It's a challenge, come on.
What smells look like?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow. Whoa. So sweet and salty at the same time.
Nawag, ikaw ni Daddy.
Okay, kauna.
Hey, swallow it. It will
Swallow ba?
kwan.
It will taste good.
Ah, yummy, but it's like squid balls, no?
It tastes like mangoan.
Yummy.
Huh?
Murag ka ng prawn.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Prawn, the
It
prawn.
tastes like mango.
Yeah, it's still like mga one.
Did
Yummy.
you taste anything down here?
I like it. You wait, oy. Mama,
Oh man. I give it a
8, love it.
I give it a 4.
8,
Wala niya ikauno yung glabay.
mugilabay.
Come on, I eat it.
Aman.
Aman.
Ayaw sa likod.
What does it taste?
It tastes like, it kind of tastes like
Nothing, because you did not drink.
They're just tricking on us. Nasa yung likod na yung butang.
Yogino.
Millifugole d'Italia
It's called
Burcansine.
Millie Fogli.
What?
Millie Fogli.
You stay here, you cannot see in the camera.
It's called Millie Fogli.
Mini Fogli
Italia.
d'Italia. Millifugole d'Italia.
Bocconcini.
It's not Boncini. Bocconsini.
Bonsin.
Boconcini.
Bocconcini, I think.
Bocconsini. The owner is Matilde Vicenzi. Why Imamo? It's a puff pastry filled with milk cream.
Ay, Daddy is sugar.
No, Daddy.
Diba? Let's kiss lang.
Let's keep lang.
Nova Receta Pio Golosa. Kakasabot ani.
Nova! No, Daddy, no!
Oh, it's big. We'll share it na lang.
Buro pa rin man
Daddy, the sugar!
What?
Daddy, the sugar, no.
This one bite. Let's check just on a trace.
Daddy, you're telling me and Kuya
Oh my
not to
god,
buy
it's
any.
sweet. Wow. Okay. Let's take a good bite too. Take cornflakes.
Yeah, it's crispy outside and creamy inside.
I want to taste, Daddy.
This tastes like
Yummy.
Krispy Kreme.
Really?
Yummy.
Oh, I like Krispy Kreme.
It tastes like Krispy Kreme.
Yummy. Second to the what's this? It's a
Snack on the.
bumblebee snack on the run tuna salad.
Ow, don't like tuna.
Bumblebee!
There's another one. There's
No,
another
yun. Buwan man na.
Wait sa.
Sponsored
May bis.
by
So nasa biscuit. Then nasa
Can.
can. So
You open it,
you
open
open it.
Just pull it, just pull it.
There, the tuna.
Man, it looks delicious. Like if you buy this
Like a
lang,
paste. Dayon, you open it.
Kuya, you remember that? You
There.
you just scoop it out.
Then you put it there. So there's a scoop. This one
So small.
That's tuna?
is tuna.
No, Daddy,
There.
balik that.
So it's okay.
There, the tuna, baby.
You taste it lang, Daddy.
Then,
You're the only one that tastes it. Because we don't like tuna.
yummy.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like tuna.
Yeah. What does tuna taste like?
Mommy, I'll give mommy something.
Okay, is that the last one? That's the
Lami
last.
siya ba'y burasag tuna nga gibutangan og mayonnaise.
Where's the yogurt? Yeah.
Yummy.
On the finale,
Yogurt!
Last but not the least,
Yoginos.
yogurt made in Germany.
Ow!
Erman Eugenus. Good for me.
Yoginos.
Okay, open it, Daddy. Oh, they're under.
It's called Yoginos. Try off. Try for your knife.
It's a.
Oh, yeah.
So it has 4 flavors.
Yogurt.
There are 4 flavors.
4 flavors.
There's
Strawberry.
It's only 2.
Ito lang the strawberry. Then
Strawberry
peach,
and-
passion fruit.
Here's strawberry. This one is apple.
I want to taste strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yogurt's supposed to
Ano
be.
open ka, Ella? Di man gyapon mo nakanon.
Ah,
Ay,
yummy.
nako.
Ay, Ella.
It's okay, they close and then after.
But you
Yeah,
can.
you can.
No.
Oh.
Do not open it.
It is like.
Oh, what the?
Ah! Mmm.
Daddy, look.
That's yummy. Yogurt like ice cream.
You sure?
Yeah, Mmm. Yeah. Yummy, open it.
Puy kay mo eh.
Okay.
What does it taste like, man?
Yogurt. Pareha na
Does
yogurt
yogurt
sa
taste like that?
Pilipinas o Germany. Pareha na lasa. That's it, guys.
Okay,
That was
we're gonna
our,
ride our bike.
SNR howling of the day.
Let's go ride our bike.
It is
Bye.
medicine.
Bye. Please
Let's go ride
subscribe
our
below.
bike, Kuya.
GoPro, stop recording.